Next what we'll see is attributes eyedropper. This is power clip. So power clip is basically when you insert one object to another object. Suppose there is an object here, I fill it with color, and there's another object, this is another object, fill it with other color, and I want this particular circle to be inside this box. So what I'll do is I'll select this particular circle in effect, go to power clip, and I'll click on place inside frame. So there's an arrow here. This arrow shows you that where exactly you want to place this particular object. So I want to place this object in this thing. So it has placed this part. Place this circle inside this square box, inside the box. Okay. So this is the power clip option. So I'll draw another object. We'll try to copy the power clip. It has copied all the effects. So I think as all these things were on, that's the reason it has copied all the effects, including the size. Okay. Let's copy only the power clip effects. This is only power clip I selected. I'll copy the power clip effects from here, from this object to this object. See, now it has, what it has done is it has copied the power clip effects to this object. Power clip means placing one object inside another object. See, if you double click this object, if you double click this particular object, you will find your second object inside this box. You come out, you need to click this small box here. This is for coming out. This is power clip. Okay, next is in attributes eyedropper, we'll see the drop shadow. Okay, drop shadow effect. In drop shadow, I'll draw an object here, give some color, and drop shadow is here in this particular tools. In drop shadow, I'll drag my mouse, so it creates a shadow here. Drag a little outside the box, you see it has created a shadow. So this particular effects I want to copy to another object. I'll draw a circle here. Okay, I want to copy only the drop shadow effects to this object. Now I'll go to attributes eyedropper. We'll check all these things are unticked. Okay, I do not want to copy any other thing, size, rotation, or the outline, color, fill colors, anything. I'll just want to copy the drop shadow. I'll copy the drop shadow from here and place it here. So it has copied on the drop shadow effects. Okay. Now the next is in attributes eyedropper, distortion. Distortion is this. I'll draw a box here, an object here, fill it with color, give some distort effect. This is distort effect what I have given. I'll draw another object here, and I just want to copy in attributes, from my attributes eyedropper, I just want to copy the distortion. I'll copy it here, paste it here. So it has just copied the distortion effect. Remember, if you want to copy the color, the size and everything, you need to tick these things. When you tick these things along with distortion, it copies all the other effects. Okay, it has copied all the effects to this thing. Okay, so whenever you want to you can also in attributes eyedropper you can allow in effects, you can suppose in an object, this is an object, and given some for example I given some drop shadow effect to this, and I given two effects to this. This is distort and drop shadow effects, and I want to copy all these two effects on this object. What I need to do is I'll go to attributes eyedropper in effects. In effects, for the safer side, what I'll do is I'll select everything, because whatever has been applied to this particular object, it copies to this object. Okay, if any of the effects which has not been applied to this object, by default it doesn't apply to this object. So I'll select everything here. So whatever options are applied to this, whatever effect options are applied to this, it copies only those effects. Okay, I can select this position and size, copy this, paste it here. See, it has copied all the effects. Whatever effects I had applied to this, it has copied everything here to this object. So what I've done is I've selected everything in effects. So anything, any effect options applied to this, it copies it to here. Lens, contour, blend, anything. If you want to also copy the size and rotation also, you can do it. Select here and press OK, and then you can copy the size. Also the same outline and fill. And this is only for text. Suppose a text is there and a text color or size options you want to apply to another thing, you can do this thing from here. Okay, this is Attributes Eyedropper.